Hello, my students. How are you? Prepared to explain from Moasser Book. Second easy questions. Look at with me about question number one. In each of the following, find the value of x and y if brackets of x plus 5 and 3 equal brackets of 5 and 3y plus y. First step, we must know the first projection equals the first projection and second equals second. Look at here. X plus 5 will be equal 5. Means the value of x equals 0 because 0 plus 5 is 5. And also, we can solve this equation 3y plus 1 equivalent to 3. Then the first equals the first. And the value of x will be 0. 0 plus 5 equals 5. And second, 3 will be equal 3y plus 1. Then we solve the equation here 3y plus 1 is equal to 3. To solve the equation, you must move 1 from left hand side to right hand side and change the sign here. Then 3y equal to 3 minus 1 equal 2. Then we can divide it by coefficient of y3. The value of y equal 2 over 3. Okay, and the value of x will be 0, and the value of y equal 2 over 3. This first question. Second question, the order of x power 2 and y plus 1 equivalent to 64, and the cubic root of negative 64. First equal first and second equal second. X power 2 equals 64. The value of x will be positive or negative, the square root of 64. Square root of 64 will be positive or negative 8 because 8 times 8 is 64. And second projection, y plus 1 will be equal cubic root of negative 64. Then y plus 1 equivalent to cubic root of negative 64. We can write negative, and the cubic root of 64 equal 4. Then the value of y equal negative 4. Move 1 here, it will be negative 5. The value of y, it will be negative 5. We have value of x and value of y. Next question number 3. Square root of x minus 3 is equal to 7. Is square root. Listen to me again about this question. We have two brackets are equivalent. The first equal first and second equal second. The first projection here, we have square root of x minus 3 will be equal to 5. First equal first. We can solve the equation by move negative 3 to right hand side and change direction here. Then negative square root of x equal 5 plus 3 equal 8. Then the value of x equal square root of 64 equal 8. Or power left hand side and right hand side. Then x will be 64. And second projection 7 will be equal y power 2 minus 1. Y power 2 minus 2 equals 7. Move negative 2 here, then the value of y power 2 will be equal 7 plus 2 is 9. Then value of y will be positive or negative square root of 9 is 3. Next question. Look at here. Number 3, we have x, y, and z. He will find Cartesian product between x and y intersection z. X was 3 and 4. Cartesian product intersection between y and z. Y and z. The intersection will be 5. Then we can write the Cartesian product first by first, 3 and 5. And first here, 4 with 5. In brackets also. This is question number 1. As question number 2, y2 is meaning y product by itself, Cartesian product. 4 and 5, Cartesian product by 4 and 5. The answer we can write 4 and 4 in brackets, and then 4 and 5, and then 5 with 4, and the last one 5 with 5. This is question number 2. Question number 3, he asked about the number of Cartesian product x by itself. X has two elements, then the number of Cartesian product between x by x itself, it will be 2 times 2 equal 4. Then the answer here will be 4. Okay. Number 4. Using given diagram, we have Venn diagram here, to find the intersection between x and y, Cartesian z. X intersection y will be x, it will be set of 1, because x here is subset of y. The intersection will be 1. Cartesian product with z. Z was 3 and 4. We can raise answer, brackets, 1 was 3 in brackets, and second 1 was 4. Next question, x union y. We can write x union y 1 and 3. And 2 also. X union y, it will be y. The element of y, 2, 1, and 3. Cartesian product z difference y. Z difference y, it will be 3. It's meaning the element in z and don't found in y. Z difference y, it will be 4. Okay, we can cancel y, the result will be 4. And then find the Cartesian product, right? The first order 2 and 4, and second 1 and 4, and third 3 and 4. Okay, this question number 4, our Cartesian product. Number 5, the same question. X Cartesian with y, give me the solution. He won't find y Cartesian product by x. In this example, x is the first projection here. X, the element of x, it will be 1, and 4 repeating. It's x and y, second projection here. The value of y, the second projection, 1, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3. Repeating, right? 1, 5, and 3 only. Then the Cartesian product between together, right? First y, 1, 5, 3 will be Cartesian product with x, 1 and 4. You can complete it, okay? Distribute it 1 with 1 and 1 with 4, and the next 5 with 1, 5 with 4, and 3 with 1, 3 with 4. Okay, you can complete this. And we have x here, I found it. And x2 also, you can write Cartesian product between 1 and 4 and also 1 and 4. You can complete it, okay? 1 with 1 distributed, okay? First projection from x, and second also from x. This question number 6, we have here x and y. We want to find intersection between x and y. The intersection here 3 was repeating, 3 and 5. Then the solution 3 and 5 was repeating. Okay, 3 with 5, Cartesian product with y. Y 3, 5, and 6. Okay, you can complete it. 3 with 3, 3 with 5, 3 with 6, and 5 with 3, 5 with 5, y with 6. The number of element y has 3 digits, then 3 power 2 equal 9. Next question number 7. We have x relations, x relation with y means the number of x is additive inverse of the number of y. In the relation here, who can tell me additive inverse? Right, negative 4 with 4. The additive inverse, change the direction of the sign. And negative 2 with 2. And 0, additive inverse of itself. And also 2 with negative 2. And r with negative 4. 4 with negative 4. And represent it with an diagram. We can draw here first function and second x and y, first set and second set. We can write the relation between together. They are, we call it the function, relation function, because each element in x has in only one image in y. Right here, x, element of x, negative 4, negative 2, 0, 2, and 4. With itself, okay, you can write like this. You can draw rectangle like this or square and raise the element of x inside. Bracket negative 4 and 4, 2, and -2 and 0. And then join from -4 to 4, and 4 with 4, 0 with itself, 2 with 2, and -2 with 2. R is the function because each element in X has only one image in Y, in R. Next question, number 8. Look at this question now. He won't find the relation between X and Y. X equal half of Y. Half of Y, like 2 half of 4. Can you see it? Then the relation, we have 2 with 4, 2 half of 4. And we have 3 half of 6. And 5 half of 10. Okay? This relation, X half of Y. Then we want to draw Cartesian diagram. Cartesian diagram here, we can draw vertical and horizontal like this. Look at here, vertical and horizontal here. To find the element here. X and Y. The element of X, 2, 3, and 5, right? 2, 3, and 5. Element of Y, 4, 6, 8, and 10. 2 half of 4, 3 half of 6, 5 half of 10. Okay, this is the relation between X and Y. R is the function because each element in X has only one image in Y, in R. Okay, we called it the function, the relation here function. Next question, number 2. And number 9, we have X and Y. The relation between X and Y, it's meaning X plus Y is an odd number. Odd number like 1, like 3, 5, we called it odd number, okay? You can collect 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. Then the relation, we can add 1 with 2 and 1 with 3, 4. Okay, cancel it because was 1 plus 3 equal 4. 4 is even number, even to odd. 3 was 1, 4. 3 with 2 equal 5. And 3 was 3, 6. Next, 4 with 1 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. But don't write 4 plus 2 because 4 plus 2 is 6. This is the function here. This is not function or function. The relation here, not function, because the image 4 has not only one digit or image in R. They are not function. He won't draw arrow like this. Draw vertical here, and also vertical X and Y. X equal 1, 3, and 4, and Y equal 1, 2, 3. You can do it. Okay, draw vertical here, and then draw the arrow from the image 1 with 2, and then 3 with 5. We have 5 also. 3 was what I want. 3 with 2 equal 5. Yes, it's 2. 3 with 2. It's 5. And 4 was 1. And also 4 was 3. This relation, not function. You won't find if 2x relation with 3. What's the relation with 3 here? Look, 2. Where is 3? You want 2x relation was 3. Who can tell me here? We have 4 with 3. 4 with 3. Then 2x. We have 4 relation with 3. In this order, 4 with 3. He asked about what's the value of x? 2x relation with 3. Then x will be 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. We have relation between 4 and 3. Okay? 4 and 3. Then the value of x will be 2. Okay? The value of x will be 2 because we have 2x equal 4. And then the value of x will be equal 2. Understood? Next question down. Number 10. We have x and y. Relation here, tell me y 3 times x. Then the relation We can write what? 2. 2 product by 3, 6. 6 here. Then we have 2 and 6. And then write 3. Put x equals 3. 3 times 3, 9. Then we have 3 and 9. And third one, 4 times 3 is 12. Then we have 4 and 12. Is the relation between x and y. Represent arithmetic. You can draw arithmetic, and this is our function. Yes, function, because each element in x has only one image in y. The relation here, we call it the function. The relation will be function because each element in x has only one image in y. Okay. Next question, we can draw arithmetic. It's easy. You can draw vertical here and also vertical like this. We have x and y. X element 2, 3, and 4, and y 6, 9, 12, 15. And then draw from 2 with 6, and from 3 with 9, and 4 with 12. Okay, next question, number 11. We have relation here, x is equal to square root of y. Who can tell me here the relation? Look at here, x equals square root of y. The square root of 0 will be 0. Square root of 1, it will be 1. The square root of 4 will be 2. The square root of 9 equals 3. Then we have 3 and 9. Then we can draw also arithmetic here by 2 seats, x and y. You can draw vertical here, x, and vertical y. Set of y, right? Element of x 0, 1, 2, 3, and element of y negative 1, 0, 1, 4, and 9. And then draws arithmetic from x to y. X 0 with 0, 1 with 1, 2 with 4, and 3 with 9. The relation here is a function. Yes, it's function, because each element in x has only one image in y. We have relation here, number 12. Tell me, 2x, look at here, y equal to x plus 4. Pay attention about this question. Y equal to x plus 4. How we can solve it? We can product by 2. 2 times negative 1, negative 2. Negative 2 plus 4 equal 2. Then the image negative 4 with 2. First, we can write negative 1, and the image will be 2. And put x equal 1. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Then we have 1 and 6. And then put x equal to 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 4 equal 8. Then the image of 2 will be 8. And then also you can draw arithmetic. The function here between x and y. Relation here, we call this a function because each element in x has only one image in y. Okay, you can draw arithmetic by yourself. It's easy for you, okay? You can complete it. Next question. He tell me the relation x plus y is divisible by 3. We have set of x is natural number start from 0 to 0, 1, 2. Then the relation it will be x plus y is divisible by 3. Like 0 plus 1, no. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 is divisible by 3. Then the relation here can write 3. Look at here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 can divide it by 1. And 0 plus 1 equal 1. Then can divide it by 3. You want the answer is divisible by 3. We have from 0 to 2. 0, 1, 2. Understood? 0 plus 1, 1 can be divided by 3. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 can be divided by 3. And next, 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then we have one solution because the relation here, we can write what? Who can tell me? Two numbers, 2 and 1. And also 1 and 2. Because summation between 1 and 2, 3. 3 is divisible by 3. You want to find here the summation between two numbers can divide it by 3. Okay? Then the relation not function. Because the element like 0 has an image in y. Okay. Next question down, number 14. If x equal 1, 3, 5 and our relation function, we have the relation here. First will be polling to x1. We have 5 and 3. he won't find the range. The range will be the second projection, 3 and 3 and 5, it will be 3 and 5. And the value a minus b, a will be 1 minus b, a minus b will be equal 1, okay, 1 and 3, 1 minus 3, or you can write here 3 and 1. You can replace it. The value of a will be 1 and b will be 3, or the value of a will be 3 and b will be 1. So we have two solutions about this relation, a and b. 1 minus 3 equal negative 2. And if we put 3 minus 1, it will be 2. Then the answer will be positive or negative 2. This is the solution about question number 2. Next question. F of x equal to x power 2 minus 5x plus 2 proves that f of 2 equal f of half. First step, I will find here f of 2. Put the value of x here equal to in this relation 2, product by 2 power 2, 4. Subtract by 5 times 2 equal 10 plus 2. Then the result will be 2 times 4 equal 8 minus 10 plus 2. 8 minus 10, negative 2. Negative 2 plus 2 equals 0. Then f of 2 will be equal 0. Now I will count here f of half. Look at here. Put this in function. The value of x will be half. Half power 2. Subtract by 5 times half plus 2. You can collect with me. 2 times half power 2, it will be fourths. Subtract by 5 over 2 plus 2. The result will be 2 fourths minus 5 over 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 over 4 half. Half plus 2, it will be 2 and half. Subtract by 5 over 2. 5 over 2 will be 2 and half. Also, then the difference will be 0 between two numbers. Then, relation number 1, we prove that f of 2 equal f of half. Next question number 16, we want to prove or find f of root 2 plus 3 times g of root 2. We have two functions here, this first function and this second. F of root 2 first, okay? I will find the solution down here, f of root 2 equal, put here in the value of x equal root 2. Root 2 power 2 subtract by 3 product by root 2 equal root 2 power 2 equal 2. Then we have 2 subtract by 3 root 2. And then I will find g of root 2. With the value of x equal root 2. Then we have root 2 minus 3. Then you can find the result of question number 1. You want to find f of root 2 in brackets plus 3 product by g product root 2. The value of the first here is 2. You can write 2 minus 3 root 2 plus root 2. The result, look at here, write 2 first, subtract by 3 root 2. 3 times root 2, use distributive properties here, okay? I will distribute 3 times root 2 equal 3 root 2. And 3 times negative 3, it will be negative 9. You can cancel together. 2 minus 9, it will be negative 7. Then the solution here will be negative 7. This question number 1. Number 2 proves that f of 3 equal g of 3 equals 0. First, I will find f of 3. In this function here, f of 3, put the value of x equals 3. Then we have 3 power 2 minus 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9, and 3 power 2, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. And then g of 3 also, right? The value of x equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Then f of 3 equals g of 3 equals 0. Next question number 17. We have x and y, the relation here between together. Give me the function f of x equal 5 minus x. Then the function here, you want to find the range. First, I will find f of 0 in this function. What? 0 minus 5, 5 minus 0, it will be 5. And f of 1, right? 5 minus 1 is 4. And f of 3, put 3 here, 5 minus 3 equal to. Then the range will be equal 5, 4, and 2. the range, okay? And representing graphically function, we graphically function draw here like this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then put the image. 0 was 5. 0 was 5 here. And 1 was 4. 3 was 2. Okay, this is the function here and the representing graphically. Okay, I will complete next video. The relation here, number 18 in next time, okay? Understood? The relation here, raise the domain. Do you remember the domain? Okay, I will solve some questions easy now. Okay, we can write domain is the first projection here. The first will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is domain. We call this the domain. The domain will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And raise range. Range will be equals the second 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Next question is the point to be pointing to the straight line of the function here. It means the point here satisfies this equation. Look at here, this value of x and this value of y. Y here, it will be f of x is y. Y will be p. You can write p here equivalent to f of x equal to, put x equal to here. 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 minus 8. And he put a straight line intersect x-axis. Intersect x-axis, it's meaning y will be equal 0. It's meaning b will be 0. Y will be 0. It's meaning b will be 0 because intersect x-axis, it's meaning y equal 0. Then 0 will be 8 minus 8. Then the value of a will be 8 because 8 minus 8 equals 0. This is the value of a equal 8. Next question. Question 20. We have function f of x equal ax minus 3 intersect x-axis. It's meaning y equals 0. Y here equals 0. This is the point 3 and 0 is belonging to the function of x. It meaning satisfies with the value of x equals 3 and the value of y equals 0. Then f of x here will be 0 equal a times x. X will be 3. 3 times x is 3. Put x equals 3. 3 times a. It will be 3a minus 3. Then the value of a equal 1. 1 times 3, 3 minus 3 equals 0. The value of a equal 1. Then the function will be f of x will be equal. You can write here, cancel a and write 1. Okay, 1 times x, it will be x minus 3. And then he won't find the value of f5. f5 will be equal 5 minus 3 equal to, then f of 5 equal 2. Then the result here, f of 5 will be equal to. Okay. You want to represent graphically about function number 1. We have f of x equal to, draw straight line here, and put the point 0 and 2. Okay, the point will be 0 and 2. Number 2, f of x equal 0, that means a straight line reverse to x-axis. Okay, and the third, f of x equal -1, you can draw vertical here, and going down at -1, and draw straight line, cut y-axis, and the point 0 and the -1. This is question number what? Question number 3. Next question. You want to find also graphically about this function. Number 2 and number. Okay, I will complete all questions next time. Okay, my students, goodbye.